You may have heard about the Anti-Money Laundering Act, the Corporate Transparency Act, that requires many companies doing business in the United States to report information to the U.S. government about the real people behind the scenes who own and control them. We're going to go through how to fill out this BOI form. Navigate to FinCEN.gov/BOI. You can see if you qualify for an exemption. Click on that link and it'll take you to a list of all the exemptions. Let's just go into the e-filing. You'll want to navigate to the reporting. We're going to file online. In the future, you may be wanting to do corrections or updates right here. We're just going to do the initial report. The big difference between the initial report and the correction or update form is the company applicants. If you do a correction or update, it will skip the applicants and it will go right to the beneficial owners. We're going to do the initial report. It's going to take you to the reporting company. She's going to do ABC LLC. If you have an alternative name, enter it in there. And this is either an official DBA or just something that people know you as. Then go down to the form of identification and enter in the EIN number if you have it. If you do not have an EIN number, feel free to use your social security number. Those are likely going to be sole proprietors and such. Enter the country of jurisdiction, example, street, example, and U.S. territory. It'll be the U.S., choose a state, and zip code. You're already on to the company applicant. Now, this is who has filed your company with the Secretary of State. Now, this is likely going to be your tax preparer that has done this. And if it isn't, it might be you. Feel free to enter in your information here. So we'll just want to enter this in. So John, business address, example, United States. State, Alabama. Now here's where you'll need to enter in their information just to verify that they are a real person. So driver's license, what is the driver's license number, jurisdiction, and then you'll want to choose an image of the identification, in this case, the driver's license. All right. Now we're in the beneficial owners area. Let's just say I'm the owner. So I'll put my name in here. Example, street, example, Alabama. I only choose Alabama because it's the quickest one to click. Then you'll need your ID here and put the image of your identification in the form. When you have multiple owners, you'll want to add another one. Put their address in, pretty much all the same thing. Then it will take you to the final stage. Enter in your email, confirm the email, first name, last name. Then you'll want to verify that you're human. Once you're done, it will then take you to a receipt area where you want to save the document to be able to track the progress of the BOI filing. Also, check your email where you'll get the same information. Keep these receipts on file so that just in case they were to go after you and say you never filed one, you have a receipt. All right, that's it. No fees, and you're good to go.